picture of the princess because her still so pretty. Princess got an injury on her head and she's having toast. It looks worse on camera. Poor baby got stuck in the door. The door hit her. So now she's having some toast, and we went to the store and got her some aloe, made her some aloe water, and sprayed it on her head, so hopefully she will feel better soon. She's doing really good though. Like, she is so happy that Nigel's home. She's flying around, she's chirping. We just got to keep the aloe water on her little injury so it'll heal fast. I can't stand it when something happens to Princess. My girl? My girl? Yeah, big stretches for mama. Thank you. It was so stressful. I was gonna cry, throw up, and then I cleaned the whole house after I took my long walk to de-stress. I don't like when anything happens to my poor baby. Are you so happy you got toast? And you're so happy that Daddy's home? Yeah. Is that your daddy? Say, Daddy. Me, Princess. Stop looking at your phone. Say hi to me. People today and their cell phones. They don't see the life around them. That's so cute. Who could deny this cute little face?